In this video, you'll learn how to resize tables in Notion. By following these instructions, you will be able to adjust the dimensions of your tables to better fit your content and design preferences. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your workspace. This is essential for proceeding with any modifications to your tables. Next, locate and click on the title of the page that contains the table you wish to resize. This action will take you directly to the specific page where your table is situated, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. After that, if you have not yet created a table, type in the word table in the designated area on your page. This will prompt Notion to display the table creation options, making it easier for you to insert a new table into your workspace. Once this appears, click on the blank space in your workspace to deselect any other elements. This action ensures that you have a clear area to work with while resizing your table and prevents any accidental modifications to other components. Now type in /table to open the table options. This simple command will allow you to easily access the table creation feature within Notion, facilitating a smoother workflow. Next, select Table from the options presented. Clicking this will insert a new table into your page, which you can then resize according to your needs. After the table is inserted, locate the slider that appears at the edge of the table. Clicking on this slider will enable you to adjust the width of the table, providing a more customized appearance. You can now adjust the slider from left to right to change the width of the table. This allows you to create a table that fits perfectly within your page layout and accommodates all necessary content. To increase the height of the table, type in space within the table cells. This action will provide additional vertical space, making it easier to read and interact with the table contents. Finally, click on a blank space outside the table once you have completed your adjustments. This will finalize the resizing process and ensure that your changes are saved within the Notion environment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.